Welcome back to the Dinar Community channel, your trusted source for accurate updates on the Iraqi dinar revaluation (RV) and the evolving global currency landscape. In a surprising and unprecedented move, Bank of America, a powerhouse in the American financial sector, has reportedly stepped directly into the Iraqi dinar revaluation arena. According to multiple credible sources and first-hand reports from high-net-worth individuals, the bank is now actively scheduling private exchange appointments for clients holding substantial amounts of IQD. Unlike past years of speculative chatter, corporate denials, or ambiguous bank responses, this development is backed by direct client outreach and authenticated reports. Several dinar holders have confirmed receiving secure, encrypted invitations from Bank of America to set appointments, each accompanied by documentation checklists, compliance protocols, and legal requirements that signal a serious and well-structured initiative. This isn't a vague signal. It's a clear, deliberate action by a highly regulated bank. The move could be one of the most significant signs to date that the long-awaited revaluation of the Iraqi dinar is progressing into institutional territory. From rumor to reality, BOFA's entry into IQD exchange. After over a decade of distancing themselves from RV conversations, major banks like Bank of America seem to be altering course. Internal communications reportedly distributed to branch staff detail procedures for authenticating IQD currency, identifying qualified clients, and implementing strict Know Your Customer (KYC) standards. Clients within Bank of America's private wealth divisions have shared that their relationship managers have reached out directly to schedule in-branch currency exchange appointments. These are not general offers. Recipients must log in through secure portals, input personalized credentials, and follow a step-by-step process to book a time slot at select locations. Requirements include proof of IQD purchase, source of funds, and, in many cases, non-disclosure agreements (NDAs). This appears to be a geo-targeted rollout, with B of A stress testing its back-end systems and compliance teams. Sources suggest this phase is designed to manage client volume while verifying physical currency and aligning with real-time internal rate systems, a potential soft launch for broader participation. Reactions and ripple effects across the currency community. The news of Bank of America's involvement has ignited a surge of activity across Telegram channels, online forums, and RV investor circles. This isn't being viewed as just another rumor. It's being interpreted as the first institutional domino to fall in what could become a global financial restructuring. Although public currency exchanges still display outdated IQD values, experts remind us that during sensitive phases like this, banks often operate dual-rate systems. Internal, contract-only rates are generally hidden from public view to prevent speculation, currency hoarding, or arbitrage manipulation. These private rates are only available to select clients under regulatory and legal conditions. Why now? The bigger picture behind the move. Bank of America's sudden operational shift likely correlates with broader geopolitical and regulatory trends. Multiple policy analysts and emerging market economists, including Drive Alex Monroe, suggest this move signals coordination with the U.S. Treasury, IMF, and potentially the Bank for International Settlements (BIS). Such participation would require a green light from major regulatory players, something no Tier 1 bank would proceed without. In recent months, Iraq's central bank (CBI) has met key benchmarks outlined by international agencies, including increasing foreign currency reserves, controlling inflation, and introducing banking modernization efforts. These developments support the theory that Iraq is being positioned for economic reintegration on the global stage. Security measures. How the exchange is being protected. This rollout isn't just operational, it's highly secure. Clients report that appointment invitations include biometric verification, timed encryption links, and multiple layers of cybersecurity protection. Appointments are conducted in designated private zones within bank branches, equipped with advanced currency scanners and security staff. Coordination with private security firms and possibly federal oversight ensures full compliance with anti-money laundering (AML) and anti-terror financing regulations. This isn't about exclusivity. It's about mitigating risk, preventing fraud, and maintaining the integrity of what could become one of the largest controlled currency shifts in modern finance. Will Dong and Zim be next? While the IQD rollout appears to be in motion, insiders say attention is already turning toward the Vietnamese Dong (VND) and the Zimbabwean Dollar (ZWL), two currencies long rumored to follow the dinar in revaluation scenarios. Bank insiders claim that back-end systems at Bank of America, as well as at other institutions like Citibank and HSBC, have quietly reclassified these currencies as emerging restructured instruments. Although there are no confirmed appointment links for VND or ZWL yet, signs of testing, IT infrastructure upgrades, and back-end data flagging point to possible future action. Vietnam has been undergoing IMF-guided monetary reform, and Zimbabwe has introduced gold-backed financial instruments and stabilization mechanisms, suggesting that these currencies may indeed be next in line for structured exchange offerings. Final thoughts. From theory to action. The activation of appointment-only IQD exchanges at Bank of America marks a transformational shift. No longer confined to speculation, blogs, or investor whispers, this moment reflects years of planning, compliance, and global economic repositioning. If confirmed, it validates the theory that a controlled, phased RV process would begin behind the scenes, shielded from public exposure until institutional groundwork is complete. For investors holding dinar, dong, or zim, this is no longer about if, but when and how. Those who are prepared with proper documentation, secure banking relationships, and verified holdings will be at the front of the line. While public confirmation may still take time, this behind-the-scenes rollout is very real. The opportunity to be part of a historic financial event may already be underway. The question is, are you ready? Like and subscribe for more videos.